Cultural Fund, established jointly by French ministries of Germany and France, has sponsored a 10-day event providing boxing and dancing learning opportunities to the girls belonging to the underprivileged quarters of this metropolis. Addressing a combined presser here, Stefan Winkler, director of German Cultural Center, Goethe Institute, and Jean-Loup Rose, deputy director of French Cultural Center, Alliance Française de Karachi, have informed they have thought that young girls from locales deprived of any cultural activity should be provided a chance. They have decided to organize boxing and urban movement dancing workshops in the first 10 days of December, targeting the girls from hard-up locales like Liari and city's northern periphery. Boxing trainers from France will be coaching some 50, while dance instructors from Germany will be training about 100 to 150 tri-eyed girls. Speaking about dance workshop, Stefan Winkler informed that it had more to do with body movements than dance. According to Stefan, 3 German dance trainers will be accompanied by a German DJ who will participate in the closing event of December 10th. Normally, training classes harbor small groups of 12 girls, but in order to involve as many girls as possible, some 100 to 150 girls will be provided lessons here.
This project is a French-German collaborative project funded by the German-French Cultural Fund, and it's called Girl Power, and we are aiming at girls and young women, especially from underprivileged areas, but not only, but especially, to empower them through workshops in boxing and urban movements.
Deputy Director of Alliance Française, Jean-Loup Rose, while elaborating the project, told that 2 female boxers from Bretagne and 3 from Paris, including French female boxing champions of different weights, will be coaching girls here.
The aim is to have a cultural exchange between French girls and girls from Karachi, and to have also training together and have something for the final event.
A grand finale is scheduled to be held on Saturday, 10th of December.